Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back in. Recently, I've been noticing this method popping up everywhere. People are saying you can get unlimited stars and coins in Disney Solitaire using just your phone. No computer, no extra tools, nothing complicated. It sounded a bit hard to believe, so I figured I'd give it a try myself and see how it really works. In this video, I'll take you through exactly what I tested, explain each step along the way, and show you the final results. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. After that, I opened up the browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it shouldn't matter which one you use. Then I headed to the website everyone's been talking about. I searched for the Disney Solitaire tool that claims to give unlimited stars and coins. The page loaded without any strange redirects or annoying pop-ups, which honestly made it seem more trustworthy than I expected. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and made sure everything looked correct before continuing. Once I tapped the button, the site showed a short connection process with loading messages and animations. Everything ran smoothly without crashing or freezing. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To check the results, I opened Disney Solitaire again and looked at my stars and coins. The added resources were already showing up. There was no waiting around and no need to restart the game. Everything updated right away on my phone. I honestly didn't expect the process to go that smoothly. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.